we can do whatever we want for the next 20 minutes. I'm just making sure I was filming. Let me go first. Because you don't know where the fuck you're going. Like this. Turning right. I'm leading. I'm leading. Okay, you lead. Okay, I'll lead. Okay, so the reason I'm not going to be taking you too deep into the park because the GPS and the agreement with the city, these things slow down to like 0.00001 miles per hour.
I remember when you were
Yeah, so I know where they don't do that, so we're going to get closer to the Pearl District because right now we're in Old Town, next to Chinatown.
Fuck yeah.
The China guy was great.
I thought he was great too.
We're going to wait for light because if we go now, we get hit by car.
I was wondering what his background is and how he's such an authority.
Oh yeah, he's obviously bilingual. He's a male Heidi-Hoo. Yeah, that's perfect English. Heidi-Hoo.
Heidi-Hoo, yeah.
Heidi-Hoo.
Yeah. Perfect English, perfect Chinese.
Uh-oh, mine's making the warning. That's the slow down warning. But we're okay. It'll let us go here in a second. This is technically a bike lane, so we don't have to stop. Yes, we do seem to be on speed regulation here, bingo. I don't know what it is. You can get a refund. Railroad tracks. Very dangerous. I think we were used to going downhill, is it? What's happening? Broadway Bridge. I don't know what's happening. The Cosmopolitan. The motor vessel Remy Enterprise. We're gonna make a left up here, buddy. I don't know why they're going so slow. I think they were just going faster down the hill. This is my turn signal. Railroad tracks. Yeah, it is. Sorry, I forgot the blinker. I figured we're going the wrong way. We're landing anyway. We are landing right here. And we are back in the hood. Although we still have paid for another like 10 minutes. Let me think.
Where should we go?
I'm trying to think. We can go up to Fentanyl Park.
Is this the drop?
Well, I live over here. Well, we're not. I'll take you. I'll take you to where the. Yeah, I'm gonna take you to where our houseless neighbor shelter is going to be. Okay, careful. This is high traffic. Watch out for this guy with a weird bicycle. Oh, we should never ride on this street because of railroad tracks. But we're gonna do it. Oh my God. They are bad. I always see, every time I see somebody in the street, I think they must be a tourist. All right, God, I'm gonna run into you if we don't go single file. And I know where we're going, so we have to let me lead. All right, so we're gonna go that way now. Get the fuck off this street. Railroad tracks, I know I'm gonna get in a rut and I'm gonna go down. I'm going down another one way, but it's not very long. I know it's not very long. I fucked up. Here we are. It's two-way right now. Right now. This is the United States Department of Immigration. Oh, no. Oh, that's not it. This is right here. I have a copy of the test. You would never pass it. I would never pass it. No American would ever pass it. It's things like, what was Abraham Lincoln's second son's name? You know, things like that. See, United States Citizenship and Immigration. Anyway, I have to test this guy from Finland, a soccer player from Finland who lived on my floor. He gave me his test after he took it. He passed after a year of classes. And here, let's go this way. And the questions are so fucking hard. We have too many railroad tracks around. We're gonna have to come to an end too because of time. And here's another one-way street. Oh my God. This is the homeless shelter. Right there is where the homeless shelter is gonna be, right there. That building. This whole place is, because they're not illegal immigrants, they're US citizen houseless wrecks. But I'm gonna probably be calling ICE and saying, hey, there's a bunch of Mexicans down here, man. You better come get them. All right, we need to dump these because otherwise I'm gonna be paying more money. So where's a good place? Watch out, this is deadly. They don't have to stop. But he did, thanks. All right, we're gonna park these right over there in that bike rack. All right, so watch out for this car. Hold on, we're coming in. Fuck. That was fun. That Burnside Bridge is like the shizness.
Yeah, it was
That's a ground zero.
I can't believe we walked away from all those Bitcoins, man. Huge social opportunity.
Don't bitch about me. I asked you 3-4 times. Did you want to go? You said yes, 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 yes.
It's
so
always easier to get
it is
out of
not me. You know, I had nothing to do with that. Locking. Oh, it's probably trying to lock that one we left on the Burnside Bridge. That's what it's doing. It's like, hey, man, how come I'm not? All right.
Hopefully it'll shut you off.
Oh, what's that picture? No, that was something I've never seen before, so I don't know if it's going to work. I'm not an expert.
Does that say shitcoins?
Does it?
Shitcoin is yum?
No, I don't think so.
Could be.
I don't think anything close to that. I don't know. Locked and approved, it sure is. That was 5 stars. Oh, look, I did get ripped off. 1050, where did that come from?
God damn it.
1. Wait. Oh, well, I'm not worried about it. It said clearly $5.99 for 30 minutes.
Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, it has something to do with that third scooter we added, I think.
Buy you a kombucha?
No, because it's not open.
There must be a kombucha place open around.
Oh, that? You're going to go, yeah, Safeway.
Safeway.
Oh, all right, well, let's go to Safeway. This is the unsafe way right here. That's what I call it. It says, I mean, I and a lot of people, we shop online so we don't have to go into this hellhole.
People call it slave way for its employment practice.
Not the workers, though. The workers here, I know several, and they love their job. They are so grateful. They're not like entitled pieces of shit.
I've heard that.
Yeah.
Other sides.
Well, they can go get a job somewhere else.